All right, today we have the NTONPOWER. I don't know how you pronounce it. This is the coolest looking little surge protector. So they did send it to me. Well, you can tell. So it has one long cord here with 3 prongs, and then the back doesn't really have anything other than, I think that might be a reset button. And then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 3-prong outlets with a button to turn them on and off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 USB ports and 4 more outlets. Pretty good. It has a very long cord, so I'm gonna run this over to an outlet off screen. Yeah, I mean, this is super long. I'll post it on screen. I know how long it is, but I mean, you can tell that's pretty long, boy. Yeah, this will be very handy for me. I'm in the basement and there's not a lot of outlets down here, so having a long extension cord and 2 just a bunch of outlets is beneficial. So you see you can turn them on. So now the lights on. Lights on. Don't know what that button is yet. Also lights on here. So for example, let's plug in. So here's my GoPro charger. It's gonna plug into a USB-A port and then plug into the charger here, so you can tell it's on because the light will come on. So this light's on, showing you that it's charging. And then I turn this, it's just gonna turn it off. So, and the ports are sideways, so you should be able to fit a lot of stuff in there. Even a big fat charger, like the Nintendo Switch charger, which is a big boy. Let's put that in the top. You saw, I still got plenty of room there to get to my other ports. You can plug in multiple things, right? So I have this guy's going. I'm charging my 70 battery. I got my GoPro plugged in. I got my Switch power brick in. I can put another phone charger down here, right? Or even right here. Probably not in the middle there, but at least, we still got plenty of room now. And then, of course, nothing's plugged in, so I can just leave it turned off and then turn it on when I want. Or, use it like a light switch almost and have things plugged into it and plug in there. So, yeah, I'm liking that a lot. This is going to come in very handy for me. So, this is definitely getting the big thumbs up. Stuff on the box, it says as a surge protector. So, I assume that's what this little button on the back is the surge protector. Yeah, it's an overload switch. All right. And then, it says intelligent matching integrated copper. I don't know what that means. Surge protector, overload protector, 13 amp cable, 25 watts total USB output. So, not super high power USB outputs, but it'll get the job done, right? So yeah, this guy, I think not only is it super cool looking, but I think it's gonna be very useful. I like it. And again, you're just gonna be out of the house for a while. You don't want all this stuff plugged in. Oh, turn it off. All these are off. You can see both these lights went off. Turn it back on, and amber light, green amber light. So yeah, big thumbs up. Big fan of this. All right, thanks.